everyone, Kawaii here, and today I'm going to be swatching some washi tapes. I got these washi tapes from the Dollar Tree. The patterns are all super cute and bright. After actually opening them up out of the plastic box, I realized that they are not normal washing material. They're paper, and they're not very flexible either. They peeled off the roll easily, but if I needed to remove it and move it on the piece of paper, it would rip the paper underneath. The adhesive itself was also very different. It was like they just took double-sided tape and attached some paper to the outside. I would not recommend these for journaling or scrapbooking as they may ruin the project. These seem like more of something that you would use on a kiddie project or like an elementary school art craft. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed these swatches. If you're new here, hit subscribe so you can see more like this. And don't forget to check out my description for links to all my other social medias. Oh, and I also stream 3 times a week. I stream video games every Tuesday and Thursday from 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and on Saturdays I stream crafts at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Times. If you want to tune in on my next stream, I've linked my Twitch channel in the description. Well, that's all I have for you guys. Have a great day. See ya!